Hey, everybody. This is.
What's up with Giancarlo? The spectacular October edition.
And I'm back. Topic 3, Lesson 3 represent and use the percent equation. I can represent and solve percent problems using equations. So, this lesson will be dealing with bat and ball, part over whole equals percent over 100. Just basic stuff that we've been doing for a while now, okay? We've been doing it the last two lessons. We did it last topic. We're getting into it now, all right? We can do it. So example 1, find the percent. So we're finding the percent here. So we're going to have the part, we're going to have the whole, and we always got the 100. Ain't that right? Yeah, that's right. So we always got the 100. So now we're going to have the part and whole. So let's get into the problem. Maria is 60 inches tall. Maria can reach 75 inches high. What percent of her total vertical reach is her height? All right, so let's check this out. The part is gonna be how tall she is, right? So that'll be the part. So we get 60 on top, and then the total would be what she can reach because that's her height and the reach with her arms. So that's gonna be the total. So that's 75. Okay? That equals, we don't know what the percent is because they're asking for it. What percent? We don't know it yet. So we have to work to solve it. But we do know what we got. We got 100. 100. All right? Now, what do we got? We got to do bat and ball, bat and ball, bat and ball, bat and the ball, and the bat and ball. Oh, yeah, new hit single. That's right. Okay, bat and ball. Draw our bat. Draw our ball. Yeah. Now we got it. Now what do? We multiply the bat and ball. 100 times 60 equals. And let me change the color. It equals 6,000. Now we have to divide that by 75. And we get 80. So the amount of her reach that is her height, the total percent of her vertical reach is her height, is 80%. So her height is 80% of her reach. All right. That's what I want to do. I want to box it up and ship it out because it's good to go. Yeah, yeah, woo, ah, yeah, awesome. So you can pause it, copy the notes, do what you got to do, but we're moving on. All right, here's a problem just for you guys. Go ahead, pause it. I'll give you time. All right, you should have paused it by now and worked it out. So let's get back to it. Jackie is 40 inches tall. Jackie can reach up to 55 inches high. What percent of Jackie's total rewind? What percent of Jackie's total vertical reach is her height? Ooh, this is pretty much the same exact problem as the other one. We just have different numbers now. So we are going to set it up the exact same way. We don't know the percent. That's what they're asking for. But her height will be the part, and her height and reach will be the total. Okay, her reach will be the total. So let's set this up. The part, man, I hate when I do that. All right. All right. We're going to write this in black. You guys should write part over whole every single time equals percent over 100. All right. So, part we said would be 40 her height. 55 will be her reach. So we have 40 over 55 equals, we don't know the percent, but we do know 100's always here. Woo. Now it's time for bat and ball. Bat and ball. So 100, multiply the bat, 100 times 40. Okay? That equals 4,000. Now we have to, 4,000. Now we have to divide 4,000 by 55. And I made this problem up myself, so it's not gonna look good. It's not gonna look pretty, everybody. Let's round this to 73. That 0.7 is gonna make that 2, and the 72 go up to 73. So that is gonna be our answer. And you could box it up and ship it out because it's good to go. Yeah, yeah, awesome, totally. Yeah. All right. Pause it, take your notes, do what you got to do. We're heading out. Example 2, find the part. In one state, the meal tax is 8.44%. The food and beverages total is $54. How much tax will a customer pay? All right. We've got part over whole equals percent over 100. So, for this part, we're looking for the tax. So we've got the tax amount over the total amount. So yeah, that's we're basically not gonna have the part here because it says find the part, so we're looking for the part. There's obviously no room on this slide, so we're gonna go to the next slide. So if we're gonna do this right, we start off wrong, of course. Mistakes happen. That happens. So if we're gonna start off here, we're gonna start off with no part. Okay, no part, but we've got the total of 54. All right. So like we've got the percent, which is like 8.44, and then we all know what goes under the percent. It is 100. Okay. So now what do we all do? Bat and ball, that's right. Okay. So bat, draw the bat. All right. Draw the ball. All right. So I'm not very good at keeping a voice, but I've got a few voices, man. I've got some of the best voices. Okay, so here it goes. This is bat and ball. All right. All right. Back to it. Regular voice. 54 times 8.44 equals, what does it equal? It equals 455.76. Now we divide that by 100, and we will get 4.5576. But this is money. It's moolah. Money. So we can only have 2 decimal places. So 4.5576 becomes 4.56 because this 7 makes this 5 around. Okay? that is rounding, and that is how it goes. So now that we've got 4.56, we can box it up and ship it out because it's good to go. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Let's ride. Pause it if you want. Take your notes if you're not done writing already, but we gonna move on. Example 3, last example of the video. Let's get it. Find the whole. Lucia earns a 5.5% commission on the selling price of each home she sells. Lucia earned $9,020 in commission on the sale of a home. That's pretty awesome. What was the selling price of the home? So we've got the part over whole equals percent over 100. We all should know that by now, okay? We should know that. So in this problem, the commission made is the selling price of the house, selling price of house is the whole. So we do not know the selling price of the house. That's what they're asking for, okay? House, home, house, synonyms, everybody. All right, but we do know the percent is 5.5, and we know 100 because it's 100, everybody. All right, so let's go to the next slide to work this out. So commission made is 9,020. Did it again. Okay. So 9,020 over nobody knows what yet. And then the percent is 5.5 over 100. All right. So now it's bat and ball time. Yeah. Woo. Bat, then ball. So 100 times 9,020. And you get 902,000. 902,000. Oh my God, that's my fault. Oopsies. Yep, this is supposed to be green. That's my fault, everybody. Don't you worry, I'll fix the mistake. So 902,000, and that gets divided by 5.5. So what do we get for that answer, everybody? We get the house costing $164,000. You know this book is pretty old because you ain't finding a house like that anymore. Am I right? I'm hilarious. All right. So you can box it up and ship it out. All right. Take your notes. And that's the end of the video. Dance party. Dude, so catchy. All right. That's the end of the video for this lesson. Everybody knows if you're watching the video, you're part of the class. See you next video, everybody.